My friends at Chef Works have sent me some of their new products, and just in time, as mine were getting a little bit threadbare. Let's look at what they have to offer. These shirts come from the Contemporary collection. They're light, they're durable, they come in a range of different colours. I love them because they're durable and they let you breathe. These bib aprons are awesome, and I love them for several reasons. One, they're quite durable, but two, probably more importantly for me, they don't pull down on my neck, especially when I have things in my pocket. Straps at the side make sure that all the weight is put on your shoulders. They're really comfortable to wear, even if you have a lot of stuff in your pockets. And possibly my favourite, the Banquet Jacket. Now, these are used a lot in hotels, and I find them really good for banquet work or presentation work. Not ideal for your everyday work in the kitchen, but they're a little bit more dressy and a little bit more elegant when you're on display. In this video, I will attach the links below so you can go onto the website and see exactly what they have. They've got a huge range and the delivery is super quick. Now, even if you're not a chef or a cook or in the industry, go in there, have a look. They've got so much to offer.